Hello friends, today we're going to show you how to replace or reprogram a remote key fob for your aftermarket car alarm system. And this works if you've had either a Viper, Python, or Clifford alarm system. The first step is to determine whether or not your windshield antenna has a reset button. If it has a button here at the arrow location, that is what you'll use to reset it and add the new fob. But if not, you'll have to get under the dashboard and find your wiring bundle with all of your attachments and control box in it. Sometimes they're zip tied to the steering column. Other times they're tucked in up behind the emergency brake pedal and possibly zip tied there as well. Once you find it, turn it around, flip it over until you can see this area where the red light is and the two terminals. You're going to need a short piece of metal to fit in there and touch those two terminals together. The first step is to start with the driver's door open, insert the key into ignition, and turn it to the run position. Then quickly touch the two terminals with the metal, release it, then touch it again and hold it until the light starts blinking. Once the light starts blinking, depress the buttons on your remote key fob and it should program itself. You'll be all set. On some models, you have to program each channel individually, where you touch and release, hit one button on the fob, touch and release again, hit another button on the fob until you've hit all the buttons on the fob. But it's pretty simple, easy to do, and you can do it yourself.